Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V21e and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find the system. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. Here, your device will inform you what kind of things it will reset, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you're ready, tap on reset settings. Of course, we have to confirm it if we've got the screen lock. And here we've got also the information that you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Vivo V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.